Whether you're a beginner or gardening expert, let's dive into the 5 things to know about composting so your garden can thrive while limiting waste. First, what is composting? Composting is a natural process where organic waste decomposes into a rich soil conditioner, what gardeners like to call black gold. By composting, you not only enrich your soil, but also reduce waste and cut down on greenhouse emissions. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Second, what you can compost. Let's talk materials. You can compost more than just your fruit and vegetable scraps. Eggshells, coffee grounds, tea bags, and even shredded newspapers are fair game. Remember, not everything goes into the bin. Avoid meats, dairies, and oils. They can attract pests and cause odors. I'll make sure to drop a complete list of do's and don'ts in the description below. Make sure to check it out after the video. Third, setting up your compost bin. Setting up your compost bin is easy. You can buy one online at Amazon or make your own from a simple container with a lid. Just ensure it's placed in a dry, shaded spot in your yard. If you're an apartment dweller, don't worry. A small bin on your balcony or even under the sink works wonders. Start by layering greens like vegetable scraps and browns like dry leaves or twigs. This mix helps speed up decomposition and prevents bad smells. Fourth, the composting process. Once your bin is set, nature does most of the work. Microorganisms break down the material into compost over time. Help them out by turning your pile every few weeks to aerate it, which speeds up the process. You'll know your compost is ready when it's dark, crumbly, and smells like earth. Lastly, using your compost. Now for the best part, using your compost. Spread it in your garden, mix it with potting soil, or use it as mulch. It's fantastic for growing vegetables, beautifying your flower beds, or even starting a lawn. Your plants will thank you with vibrant growth and health. And that's it, Composting 101. You're now ready to turn your scraps into soil and give it back to the earth right from your backyard. If you found these tips helpful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. That's all for now. See you in the next one. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.